Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end Monday. All of the four major U.S. indices ended in the green, with the NASDAQ 100 and the small cap Russell 2000 both up by around 1%, followed by the S&P 500 and the Dow, which were both up by more than 0.5%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the day, all 11 S&P 500 sectors ended higher, with tech and financials up by the most, more than 1%. Looking at some stocks on the move, Tesla shares once again hit a new 52-week low today after announcing price cuts in the U.S., China, and Germany over the past few days. The EV company also cut the prices of the Model Y, Model X, and Model S in the U.S. by $2,000 and slashed the price of the full self-driving software to $8,000 from $12,000. Tesla reports earnings after the bell on Tuesday. Shares closed down around 3%. In other earnings news, Verizon shares slipped following mixed first quarter results. The cell phone carrier reported earnings per share that beat estimates and revenue that missed. The stock saw some strength earlier in the day on the optimism that the company lost fewer than expected subscribers, but ultimately fell and closed down nearly 5%. And finally, to the upside, Nvidia saw a rebound after shares sold off on Friday. Shares saw their worst day since March of 2020 last Friday, losing more than $200 billion of its market value as investors were weighed down by global tensions and the possibility of Fed rate cuts. But the stock saw some decent recovery Monday and closed more than 4% higher. Let's look at what to watch for tomorrow. For data, we'll see building permits, new home sales, and PMI. And then when it comes to earnings in the morning, we'll hear from UPS, General Motors, Spotify, General Electric, and PepsiCo. Then after the bell, we'll hear from Visa, Texas Instruments, and Tesla. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to schwabnetwork.com.